ahead.
Hi, my name is Grace Dion. I have done many different things to improve myself for several years now, all of which have worked to some degree, but I found them to take too much time, and I was looking for something that was faster and for something that I could do for myself. I stumbled upon PSYCH-K. I signed up for the workshop, and in these 3 days, I have really transformed tremendously. One of the things that my family knows, and anyone that knows me, is that I'm always running late. And somehow with PSYCH-K, I found myself putting myself in situations where I would still be late, but somehow I ended up always being early to the event, and that was a huge instant transformation. There's been also some other things because Mary is extremely direct, very effective. She gets to the core of things, and I would highly recommend this to anyone that wants to self-improve in any area, whether it's health, business, personal.
Thank you.